What if I told you the crypto market is not bullish, not bearish, but preparing for something explosive? Right now, most traders are confused. Price is moving, but not trending. Altcoins are pumping, but without confirmation. Open interest is rising, yet momentum is weak. Today, I'm breaking down the real data behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the altcoin market using spot and futures metrics, and I'll tell you exactly what phase of the cycle we are in for 2026. Let's dive in. Orange, Bitcoin analysis. Let's start with the market leader, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's 24-hour futures volume is massive, over $8.6 billion. Liquidity is deep. Spreads are tight. Structurally, it's stable. RSI is around 44, completely neutral, not overbought, not oversold. ADX is below 20, and that's critical. It tells us there is no strong trend right now. Order book imbalance on spot is high, meaning passive buyers are positioning, but volume trend is slightly negative. So what does this mean? Bitcoin is not breaking out yet. It's compressing, and compression always leads to expansion. This looks like a classic late accumulation structure before volatility expansion. Blue, Ethereum analysis. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum shows a strong Sortino ratio, meaning risk-adjusted performance is solid. Correlation with Bitcoin is above 0.9, so it's closely following the leader. RSI near 43, again neutral. Open interest is healthy but not overheated. Ethereum is stable. It's not leading the market, it's confirming Bitcoin's structure. When Ethereum is calm and steady like this, it usually means institutions are comfortable holding exposure. No euphoria, no panic, just positioning. Purple, Solana breakdown. Now Solana. Solana has strong futures liquidity and growing open interest, but expected return is slightly negative. RSI under 40, slightly weak. ADX extremely low, meaning trend strength is missing. This tells me Solana is coiling. There's accumulation, but no aggressive breakout buyers yet. It's waiting for Bitcoin confirmation. High volatility altcoins. Now here's where it gets interesting. Coins like Near Protocol are showing very high ADX, over 40. That means strong short-term trend strength. Mantle is showing strong price appreciation with controlled drawdowns, and Bard Protocol has extreme ADX levels, above 60. But here's the warning. Liquidity is thinner, spreads are wider, volatility is higher. These are trader playground assets, not long-term core holds. Momentum is strong, but fragile. Dog and meme speculative sector. Let's talk about leverage and speculation. Dogecoin shows massive open interest, over $700 million, but OBV is negative. That means leveraged positioning without real accumulation. XRP remains structurally weaker with negative risk-adjusted metrics. This tells us something important. Speculative appetite exists, but conviction is not strong. The bigger market picture. Across both spot and futures markets, volume trends are slightly negative. RSI is neutral across majors. ADX is low for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Correlation remains high. This is not a bull market expansion phase. This is not a bear market collapse. This is volatility compression, and historically, compression phases end with aggressive directional moves. The question is not if, the question is which direction. Target, my professional 2026 market assessment. Based on the data, we are in a late accumulation phase. Smart money accumulates during boredom, retail buys during breakout headlines. If Bitcoin breaks above key levels with rising ADX and expanding volume, expect a multi-week expansion phase. If volume continues declining and support breaks, expect range continuation and liquidity hunts. Right now, the edge is not in prediction. The edge is in preparation. Warning, strategy outlook. Short-term, range trading environment. Medium-term, constructive bullish bias. High beta altcoins, momentum scalps only. Capital preservation remains key. This is a positioning market, not a hype market. FIRE. Closing. So here's the real takeaway. The crypto market in 2026 is not screaming, it's whispering. And the traders who understand whispers are the ones who catch explosions. If you found this analysis valuable, subscribe, stay disciplined, and trade smart. See you in the next breakdown. Rocket.